In this video, we are going to see how we can create a custom stand in Roblox. So if you don't like this standard stand, here's how you can easily change or customize it. So first of all, what we'll do is just walk in to an empty stand and you go near it. And when you see this E sign, you just press E on your keyboard, hold it until you claim it. So click no to see the tutorial, and here's your stand. But let's say that we need to customize it. Now what you'll do is, if you want to customize it, you will press E to edit it again. So let's hold E, and now we can customize all the text color, boot style, text colors, and so on. So if you want to customize the overall booth, on the top you will see this basic booth. You click on edit, and then you will see a lot of other options as well. So let's say if you want to use some other booth, but the gold booth or diamond booth and void booth are available based on how much you have donated on the please donate option. So otherwise it will be locked here. You need 1K donated to claim this stand. So if you have earned some booths, it will be shown here as well. Or if you have purchased one, it will be shown in the inventory here as well. Now when you purchase, it will be changed to something fancy. So that is how you can change your stand booth in Please Donate. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.